Hey, it's Kurt over at Insider Show, and a buddy of mine wanted me to look at a condo that he's thinking about listing, and so I wanted to investigate it. I'm here in Bronzeville, 40th and Michigan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, hardwood floors, obviously open concept. Here's the kitchen. I'm just doing a preliminary video. It's very affordable. It needs a new battery for the fire alarm, or for the, you know what I'm saying. But a lot of room, Beautiful kitchen. We're gonna turn left. That closet right there, I'm not gonna open it up, but that's where the HVAC and the water heater are. This right here is the standard washer and dryer. So it is nice that it has inside washer and dryer. A couple light bulbs are burned out, so we don't have any light for you. But another bedroom. Another bedroom. I know this is just a preliminary garbage video. Nice bath. All right. Coat closet on our left here. Linen closet on our right. This is the back of the condo. It's facing east. Turn left here, head into the master suite. And we're gonna look outside at our gated parking, which is nice. Beautiful view. Walk-in closet, to the second door, the first door on the left is what we came in. Bathroom, again, gotta get some light bulbs done. But bathroom is sharp as well. It's a nice place. So, the video quality is not the best, but just to give you guys an idea what's coming, and it's gonna be affordable. So, all right, Kurt with Insider Show. If you know of anybody looking to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate, please do not hesitate to forward their information to us. We'd be more than happy to help them as well. Thanks. Bye bye.